Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the PIN code of your SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G. And for that we will need the settings for. So just scroll down here, and you have always the symbol for the settings, tap on it. Now you need to scroll down to the point security and privacy. And you will see at the end the point other security settings. And now we will need the first point, set up SIM card lock. So the first point is you can enable or disable the lock of your SIM card, but we want to change the SIM PIN code. So tap on the second point, and now you have to enter your current PIN code. In my case, it's 4 times 3. Please take yours, your current SIM PIN code. Tap on OK, and now you can set up your new PIN code of your SIM card. So in my case, maybe it's 4 times the 1. Please select the secure one, not like in my case here. Tap then after an OK, and now you have to confirm your new SIM PIN code. In my case, 4 times the 1. Please take yours. Tap on OK, and the SIM PIN has changed. Yeah, pretty easy, as you can see. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me to don't miss any video. Thank you so much for your support, and we meet next time. Ciao.